A large-scale industrial operation is a masterpiece of continuous, engineered motion. But when a mechanical failure brings that motion to a sudden halt, the financial clock starts ticking. In heavy industries like energy extraction or manufacturing, unexpected downtime burns through thousands of dollars every single hour. More often than not, stopping that financial bleeding hinges on the immediate need for a single specific replacement component, a part that is currently sitting on a shelf hundreds of miles away. In these zero-tolerance environments, a company's survival relies entirely on one metric: the point-to-point transit velocity of their supply chain. When that critical component needs to move, businesses typically turn to one of two standard models. The first is the pure asset-only carrier. These companies own their own physical trucks. You can trust them to handle your freight securely, but they hit hard capacity limits during peak seasons. Their fleet is finite. The second option is the pure 3PL, or third-party logistics broker. Brokers offer infinite capacity on paper by contracting outside drivers, but because they own zero physical assets, they are powerless to physically rescue a shipment if a contracted driver fails to show up. This chart maps the inverse relationship at play. On the vertical axis, we have physical asset control, and on the horizontal axis, scalable capacity. Notice how traditional models force a choice. Carriers give you high control but low scale, while brokers offer high scale but low control. Right in the middle sits a volatile blind spot. This is the exact zone where an emergency demands both absolute control and immediate capacity at the exact same time. Relying exclusively on either a pure carrier or a pure broker forces you to operate with this vulnerability, a structural flaw that leads directly to delayed shipments and destroyed profitability. WTM Logistics Ltd resolves this vulnerability through what they call the hybrid power model, a structural overlap that anchors expansive broker scale to a foundation of physical assets. The nerve center for this entire hybrid operation is an in-house central dispatch core, instantly reachable at 587-316-2639. But dispatch is only as effective as the physical footprint it commands. WTM manages a massive regional hub featuring over 50,000 square feet of BRCGS-Certified food-grade warehousing space in Calgary. That space includes specialized climate-controlled tracking, engineered specifically to maintain a strict 2 to 4 degrees Celsius environment for perishable lot management. Out on the road, they command a dedicated regional asset fleet powered by highly versatile 5-ton straight trucks. These trucks are equipped with heavy-duty tailgate lifts. Without a raised industrial dock or forklift, offloading a 2,000-pound commercial pallet safely at a street-level retail space or active construction site is physically impossible. The tailgate mechanism solves this instantly. By owning the physical warehousing complex and deploying their own localized delivery fleet, WTM completely eliminates the unreliability and capacity failures inherent to broker-only operations. That localized physical control then fuses directly into the infinite scalability of a national 3PL network. We can see the immediate local perimeter of their same-day courier network. A fast, dependable loop connects the Calgary metropolitan core to surrounding nodes, including Airdrie, Cochrane, Okotoks, Banff, Canmore, and Red Deer. Freight collected within this local network undergoes high-speed cross-docking. Instead of entering long-term storage, incoming shipments are rapidly sorted at the Calgary facility and immediately routed back out into the transit lanes. This creates a guaranteed same-day pickup to next-day delivery pipeline, driving freight directly into northern resource corridors like Fort McMurray and Grande Prairie, as well as major interprovincial commercial trade routes. This seamless integration gives clients the absolute reliability of dedicated fleet operations, backed by the infinite geographic reach of a national carrier network. When an exploration rig goes down, WTM executes an emergency hotshot express run. These are non-stop dedicated vehicles driven by operators holding active Suncor gate cards to guarantee zero-delay site access over rugged terrain. For consistent commercial demands, food suppliers utilize scheduled early morning less-than-truckload, or LTL, freight contracts to move bulk flour pallets directly into automated production plants. And for the healthcare sector, where precision is paramount, couriers manage the strict temperature-regulated transit of critical diagnostic samples from local clinics to central labs. Whether routing a hotshot to a remote oil lease or managing national contract freight, the hybrid model adapts seamlessly to any industry's strict compliance protocols and urgency demands. Effective supply chain management is the active engineering of predictability in a highly volatile market. By controlling the physical assets, managing the dispatch internally, and utilizing extensive national buying power, WTM Logistics guarantees uncompromised supply chain velocity. To secure this level of operational certainty for your own supply chain, contact the WTM Logistics Direct Dispatch Line at 587-316-2639. In modern logistics, you no longer have to choose between scalable capacity and physical control. The hybrid model delivers both.